Hello friends, welcome to Archit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with copper. Friends, previously also I mentioned about copper related companies and everything. But today the article published by one of the reputed finance one, which is Yahoo Finance. Friends, they are published this article on June 2nd, 2021. By 2030, the returns from copper related thing will be 600%, friends. As you hear, they mentioned as 600%. Before itself I mentioned about these things, and you already seen like Hind copper and Hindalco, which already given 100% return from 70 to 140, present trading at 160, I think, 80 to 160. And Hindalco 200 to like 400 now present trading, and now it's consolidating. So at consolidated phases we have to add, friends, we have to add the share. So see here, the price of copper is booming since 1st of June last year. The price has risen over 93%, and analysts are saying this trend is likely to continue. And see here, its prices is often a predictor of what lies ahead in economy, and that is why it has the name Dr. Copper. And see here, in fact, reports from Carbonics also were going copper demand grown by 600% by 2030. And they are mentioning few things why copper is booming. If you observe here, uh, with COVID hitting economic, world many government, including Australia, has investing hugely in infrastructure project to create jobs for their local people. I clearly mentioned in before budget itself, government is creating and pushing money into public, so it will rotate through infrastructure, means it will give so much of boom for cement, steel, and electrical equipments. It's a one time goal, friends. Through government investment on railway projects, road projects, and everything. So these projects will give you indirect money flow into economy. That's why government taken those decisions. So if you observe here, here they clearly mentioning like what they said. And see here, and China, the world's largest copper importer by far, has also been increasing its purchasing of the red metal. And in March, China increased its copper imports by 25% from last year. So if you observe here, from March, in March, they're mentioning in March itself, they increased their imports by 25%. So what it intention means, they are like storing the copper, friends, storing the copper before it rises, before price rises in world market. China itself taking most of the copper from the world into their uh, home. So that's why the prices are increasing. And see here, and another thing, this is the major one, without copper we cannot create clean energy technologies. So friends, this is the new one I am also looking. Solar panels, wind farms, you need it. It needs copper as the world looks to move towards a more sustainable future. So in solar panels, I didn't see much copper, but friends, in wind farms, we need copper. It's compulsory. And next one, see friends here, uh, see here, the mismatch in a global like mining and the demand. This is also one of the reason for this copper boom. And next thing which we are going to see, like government governments must given clear signals about the plans to turn their climate pledge into actions. That means like clean energy, keeping thermal power plants downside, and giving thumbs up for wind energies and solar power plants. So these are the things which is giving a clear indication. And EV vehicles, this one also very good one. And if you see here, how to invest in copper, here they are mentioning some companies. So To invest directly in copper mining companies, you should be looking at investing in stocks. So luckily, top two large copper miners are Aussies. That means Australia ones. So next, going to see here, there is no Indian company here. If you observe here, all are like other countries stocks. But if you observe here, friends, if you are looking for a more broad copper investment, the easier way to go through exchange trade funds, most of which broad based mining ETFs. So friends, this is also they are clearly mentioning where to invest and how to invest. So in our India, majorly we are having like Hind Copper and Hindalco. These are the major companies for copper related. So just search it like copper related companies in India. Just if you search here, like you will get so many companies. Just open it. See here, see here, Hind Copper. This is the first one which related to the copper in India, friends. And friends, go and check it out. Like if you observe, Hind Copper present 161.85. It's a good value to enter. If if it comes below 161, so many buyers adding this stock, friends. And if you see here, like there are a few other companies also, Zinc, Hindustan Zinc and Madhav Copper and Quebec's Tubbing. And friends, among them, we are picking like Hindustan Copper and Hindalco, which is having aluminium plus copper. So in both ways, we are going to benefit, friends. That's why I picked that stock. So see here, Hindustan Copper, which they are mentioning here also, and which is the top one with Hindustan Copper only, and not much about Hindalco, but we are going to see, friends. Here only it mentioning Hindalco. That's it. Hindustan Copper and Hindalco. These are the two companies, friends. And if you like our videos, friends, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, friends. Thank you.